take care of me. Don't let me lose control. Oh Lord my God, take care of me. Don't let me lose control. Take care of me, oh my Lord. Come on, fill my heart with peace. It's a nice song.
I'm sorry. Florence.
Florence, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to, I'm sorry.
Just go.
No, James.
Florence, just a kiss, okay?
We have to get married first.
You know, your religious beliefs are kind of bizarre. I can't tolerate them anymore. What do you think you're doing?
Take your engagement ring and get out of here.
Have you gone crazy?
No, you've gone crazy.
I've gone crazy.
I gave you every chance to reform, but you didn't.